you know, so me ear $30,000, my rent of a pay, my have kids. And you know, so me ear need for do my ear $35,000, my rent at $75,000. My bank account needs to be filled up. Me need $185,000 like every 2 weeks. My nails have to do, my toe have to do, and you know, so me have kids. And my kids them have them school fee. You understand what me I say?
I set them near the ice. Look, some bash, but the spice. What? Yeah. Is that? Yeah. Drag. Yeah. Is that? Silhouette. Yeah. Silhouette.
Hey boy, I never tell a watch up and play them. He? Come here. You want me to get something for Bava? Come in.
Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden. Place bam up, Bin Laden, big buckle. We not carry none chuckle, but them up a party. 9 face was a battle. I love the AK Bin Laden with the brown and black of the original model. Bleach at them gears like tattoo with me bleaching cream and a buckle of Moscato. Bin Laden, Bin Laden, Bin Laden. Me love wildlife. Bin Laden.
Sir, for the 50th time, you cannot send prayers to get rich. That's not how it works. Get a job. Next caller. Miss, we cannot give you a fatter ass. What you mean, why? Hello? Yes, I would like to send fire on my enemies. Wrong department, link downstairs. Sir, we cannot send one of our guardian angels to protect you 24/7. I don't know better buy one gun. Yes, I'm looking at the sins right now, but I'm not seeing where the sin balance was paid. So if hurricane blow on the house, what we for do about that? You come down and build one house? Sir, I don't care how much of your people in my staff. We cannot rain food. We know. We don't. Next.
What are they? I didn't post a picture yet.
Which picture you talking about? Oh, last time me and the dog them touch road, man. You don't know that guy already.
Why me now? I never post my picture yet. Instagram fit me. You never post my picture yet. You post the one of your virgin. You fuck man.
Yo, easy yourself, man. I be a things you have.
No, you must have fuck man, Ricky. Ricky never post my picture
man
yet.
Like
Somebody
picture,
ugly.
don't know man like picture. You gotta talk about. Yo, easy yourself.
Everything good. Everything good. Wait till me post my new man. Wait till me post my new man. You plan to post my picture.
Me gonna wait a second. Who yes girl? Where they pan? You want me post a picture? That can make you sleep better night time.
You need to post me because me a woman. And me your wife.
That can make you sleep better night time. Alright, I'll post a picture. So now I'll post a picture. Make sure so you can deal with the girl and this you. That may make you act like someone else.
Me ugly. No one that pay now look back and say,
alright, me a post a picture now. Me a post it now.
Ricky, everything cool.
I'll just see some type of way. You like it? You like it? Really?
How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm here to renew my visa.
Oh, your visa. Sure. Can I see those documents,
sure
please? It says here you haven't traveled since 2016. Is that right?
2016, that's right.
Okay, and you forgot to mention where you'll be staying.
Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I'll be staying at the White House.
The where?
The White House.
The White House?
Yeah.
Who do you have at the White House, sir?
Oh, my cousin, Kamala Harris. A lot of people don't know, but we actually grew up together. You see the resemblance?
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna need, like, proof that this information is true.
What more proof you need? See the coolie in my eyebrow, she have the coolie too.
I'm gonna have to get security.
Shut up, you say now. Hold on, I can't move. No, man, it's like me stuck to your bed, man. No, man, sitting right, yes, sir. Hold on, make a show Pops. You can hear me. Pops! Pops! But I would. I my mouth can't move. No sound, me can't talk. Then I eat this. Me can't move, me can't talk, me can't do nothing. I wish count back this. Hey, dog, come over here, son. You know, here. Hey, lift up. Oh, lift up. Watch out. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He is still leadeth. Yes.
Yo, my thirsty a fuck.
I'll stay.
Something right.
Who's that cop?
2020 Top Yamed Girls. Top Yamed Girls for 2020. Number 1 panelist we have Monique. Number 2 panelist we have Ashley. Number 3 panelist we have Akeelia. Number 4 panelist we have Tamara. Number 5 panelist we have Brianna. Number 6 panelist we have Abby. Number 7 panelist we have Jada. Number 8 panelist we have Ayana. Number 9 panelist we have Madison. Number 10 panelist we have Chrissy. Number 11 panelist we have April. Number 12 panelist we have Kim. Number 13 panelist Emily. Number 14 panelist Jennifer. Number 15 panelist Slimmers. Number 16 panelist.
All the things I do.
Touching blood clot, you see. Touch it up, touch it. Fucking craven.
Yeah, me can get one zinger. That's all. Nothing else. Little girl top run up and down in that place. I want to hear that. Where you want Finiam? Friend, me can buy KFC. Me use them bash and come back. Go on, you can't wait till I do. Just use the KFC bash and come back here. Alright. Yo, mama, how she gets served before? Remember there before she know what you mean? Look here, man, I'm a cuss bad on this. When I want me thing, I want me to take so long with man food. You know, Miss Madam, you know something I know what I want. Give me a minute or 2 or 3. How much? One? And I have $50 the money shot. I don't see Wednesday Escape series. I can't gender the line. I go and go order for me. Me sit down here so. Or bakes me the front order. No man. Like today.
Jerusalem, ikayalami, ilondoloze.
Brother man, what you do, my youth?